Okay? So you get fat. Oh. What is that? Whoa! Oh, 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 oh. You love it? Good. What can you say?
Yes. Told me to be quiet.
No, you can talk.
You told me to be quiet in the video.
Oh yeah? So say hi to your fans. Some people like you. They keep looking for you. Say hi.
Hi.
Mahina ka kasing kumain eh. Say, let's eat, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Is your dad good cook?
Yeah.
Who is much better, mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy is the
Daddy.
best.
Both.
No, only one. Pick only one.
I only want to choose both.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ganyan siya. Wala siyang pinapanigan. Kailangan pareho. Hindi siya yung ibang anak na, your hair. Na isa lang. Lagi siyang pantay.
Hey, Mom, can I do something real
Yes.
quick? 6, 7. 6, 7.
No, no. Oh. Favorite niya yung spaghetti ng daddy.
Someone should actually like
Yeah.
Want more?
Yes, but the last bite.
Last bite?
Yeah. And now you can eat.
Did I just give you an idea?
No, I don't want to eat. I'm full. Did you see my body? I'm so fatty.
No, you're beautiful. You're skinny and beautiful.
No. Utuin ba
You're
ako?
fat and beautiful.
Okay, good job. Good girl. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.